Greetings from a beautiful cliff beach on the sea, on the Baltic Sea. I am at Björnö Nature Reserve, and this is a spontaneous nudist beach, Björnö, Björkvik. It is the last day of May, 31st of May. Currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and the clock is 10 o'clock exactly in the morning. So for a Sunday I am up very early. I got up at 7, and it took me 1.5 hours to get here by public transport, including metro and 2 buses. And it's definitely worth it. We're gonna have super warm day with up to 23 degrees. But I thought it's gonna be a bit warmer in the sea, but my measurement says 14 degrees Celsius, which is still good, and we're gonna make few swims here today. I might head also later to Torpesand Strand, which is a sandy beach and not so far away from here. So it's gonna be amazing. I'm all alone in this beautiful cliff structure of a beach, and yeah, it feels surreal to have this beautiful nature out on the sea. As we continue even more, it's even more beautiful indeed. Look at that, it's perfect. Perfect to chill on a hot day like this. So, today is beach day number 47 on my Sweden Beach Adventures, and we are starting the month of June tomorrow, but also today we are ending the month of Eurovision. So probably there will be less Eurovision content on my channel, as it will probably stop trending immediately when this month is over. But I still have lots of content and will post it anyway. Yes, yesterday I was swimming for half an hour in the lake Flatten. It was quite warm, I must say, and it is nice to come also to the sea, especially on a hot day like this. We have a little bit of algae here in the beginning, but there is super clean. It's only here at the entrance because the sea is not so moving today, because the wind is from the other direction and these hills are blocking it, which is great, I must say, indeed. Okay, so are you ready for a swim in the sea? Because I am. I know I am. We first need to see how... Oh, it's not slippery at all. But it will be very slippery towards the middle of the summer for sure. And I will be coming back here again for sure sometime soon. Okay, my feet are a bit cold, I must admit, so it's gonna be a bit chilly this swim, but I will do my best to stay as long as possible. So yes, I have also reached 52,000 subscribers the other day. I'm so grateful and so happy for that. It's so surreal. I did not expect to get so many subscribers, but it's Eurovision season and I got lots of new subscribers from that, but also from my beach vlogs as well are coming new viewers. So let me know what kind of content would you like to see for going forward. And yes, I have also memberships on my channel, so if you want to support my journey, you can become either a supporter or a member and get some nice perks also with that. Okay. It's very slippery here, I must say. So I think it's time for me to go for a dip, but I will try to avoid the algae area even for a few more meters and give you a better view of this beautiful secluded nudist beach spot on the sea. So ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it's so amazing. It's so fulfilling. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful swim in the sea in this nudist beach spot. All alone this Sunday morning. Perfect. It's not that cold as I thought it would be. Maybe my thermometer is broken. It feels warmer than 14 degrees somehow. But yeah, let's see if I'm going to be able to survive for 10 minutes at once. But my goal is still to go for 30 minutes today also in the sea. So yeah, greetings from Björnö Björkvik nudist beach in Värmdö. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures soon on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.